Assalamu alaikum guys, good morning. Today is the day we go to Lebanon. I'm very excited. I've been up since 7:30. Supposed to be flying out about 1ish, so we're just going to Heathrow Airport. The team is going to be ready, inshallah. Obviously everyone knows the Beirut explosion which happened sadly a few weeks ago. Many lives were lost, homes, food, people's businesses, everything was destroyed. A lot of rubble, a lot of damage. And now it's our turn. We've raised the money. We've raised the funds. We're still raising funds as we speak. It's time for us to go out there and do our bit, inshallah. So make sure you keep donating, guys, to our page. The link is in my bio on my Instagram, as you can see. Keep supporting. Keep up to date with Salam Charity UK. And yeah, we go from there, inshallah, guys. I'm very excited. Can't wait to meet the little kids, dish out sweets, books, toys, food packs, hygiene kits, whatever else. It'll make a difference. So thank you once again for your donations. Keep them coming. And I shall catch up with you very soon. We just arrived at the airport, Heathrow. The squad is here. Boys, how you feeling?
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Everyone's very excited, inshallah. We'll catch up with you on the plane. In a bit when we get some food. And yeah, man, let's go. We just boarded. Harris, how's it going, bro?
I'm alright, man.
Blessed.
Nice little munch right now.
Is it done?
Needing it, man. He's munching right now. You didn't eat and walk. I did. No, I didn't. I can't do it.
Listen, we're very happy. Well, Harris is loving it because it's an empty flight, which means man's are gonna lie down.
Seats right there, bro.
Look at this, bare empty, guys.
That's gonna be me right there, man.
No one here at all. The full squad here, as you can see. Alhamdulillah, we landed safe. Got annihilated at security, but we're good, boys. Boys, we good, yeah?
Yes. Post violation.
Got dealt with, but you know, when it comes to that later, alhamdulillah, we're safe and sound. These guys welcomed us. It is absolutely boiling. I think it's like, I don't know, what do you reckon it is, bro?
I reckon it's at least 25.
What?
25.
It's more than that.
Nah, I think it's about 30. Boys are wearing joggers, hoodies, masks.
Here comes the sweats.
Let's go.
The sweats, bro.
Mad distribution here, bro.
Yeah,
Inshallah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
ابو رشيد هو رايح خليه يعطيك المفتاح
It's going off. It's going off.
فبعت لك كمان مكونات بعت لك مكونات
My guy.
Don't play.
Alhamdulillah.
Lebanese food? Banging.
Had our team briefing, just getting ready to go, fully geared up. Alhamdulillah. The team's ready, just waiting for the boys, and then we're gonna set out, get to work. As you can see, there's a few buildings behind me. We're gonna go to the main areas, get working, and get this going, inshallah, man. Make dua. Guys, we've probably done about 15 minutes of work, and this is
Seriously,
you haven't
working
done
on the
nothing.
set.
We just literally carry some bags up, cleaning some guy's house.
We might as well get shot with all the sandbags that we brought up.
So we just brought all these up now, about 3-4 stairs up. Me and Aaron, you know, being the mans that we are carrying to that one. But we just
Say that some of the balconies, some of the rubble, some of the debris.
for elderly couple.
Yeah, for an elderly couple.
Man, just sweating right now.
Sweating.
But yeah, we're just gonna make some cement now. Aaron worked in the industry before, so he knows how to do all that. So man's gonna guide us, inshallah. As you can see, we've got the full Salam team here. They're just chilling. We're just working, bro.
Grafting.
Obviously, winter's coming up. We're mixing cement now. We just bought these sandbags up. They're about 8 stories high, alhamdulillah. And now there's an old man and woman downstairs. The house got damaged by the Beirut blast, and we're just gonna help build a block for them on the balcony, inshallah. So I was sat with a Syrian refugee family. They came from Syria because obviously we all know the situation of what's happening down there. They came here for a better life, and this is the kitchen. Is this what you call a better life? This is the 2 beds. Is this what you call a better life? It is not, guys. We are so lucky to be living in the UK, wherever else we live, in comfortable conditions. We have no food to worry about. We have no water to worry about. We don't have no bed, no warmth, nothing to worry about. Winter is coming here. So there's a mother, a father, 2 little kids, 6 and 3 years old, and the sister has a 3rd baby on the way as well. They need shelter urgently, guys. And the mother was really upset. She just showed us, as you can see there, the red. She bought this used red cot for the child, and obviously it's been destroyed. So guys, please keep donating. We need approximately £500-600 to get this family started. If everyone can donate on the link, inshallah, on my link in my bio, we can go from there. So yeah guys, you know, this is the situation. Let me just share with you the living conditions. But this mattress is there because they don't want the kids to fall over. There's no protection. Same with the board over there. Just come to the Palestine camp in our PPE gear. We're gonna go distribute some packs, some games, some toys to the children, inshallah. So we just got authorization to come through, and I shall try to keep you up to date, inshallah. We are in the Palestinian camps with the Palestinian brothers. Look at the machines here, guys. This is the conditions they're in. This is the local gym. The owner here, brother. Very tight situation, as you can see. But due to COVID-19, we'll even have to suffice with material like this. So here we have our 2 big bags full of shopping just for Dima. She's my special guest. We're going to look after her, inshallah. And she's very happy. She bought some jeans, shirts, colouring books, colours, and even bought some stuff for some Syrian refugee orphan kids. So let's go give it to them, inshallah. Let's go.
Yalla, okay.
نحن كنا رايحين على سوريا وجا أخذنا بابا وماما تركتنا.
She's saying we used to live in Syria. Dad died and mom left us.
So from Idlib, Syria?
انت من وين من سوريا؟
من إدلب.
من إدلب. ليش عم تبكي؟ كسرتي لأنه عم تجيب الثياب؟